Hi guys, I am Aisha Shah Rose. I have created this video to promote author Aisha Shah. Aisha is the author and writer. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at United States. She is author, inspirational speaker, writer and publisher. Till now she has written 8 book titles of her books which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces Strength, Positive Affirmations, The Magic of Thinking Big, Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of her titles on Amazon.com website by searching Aisha Shah. The spell is AESHASHAH, and my today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Aisha Shah's second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, which targets each and every age group of the people, and I am providing short preview of her second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me. December 21. Personality is an unbroken series of successful gestures. You must develop the ability to start over. Never confuse with a single defeat. Learn from it, move on, keep going. Genius is the ability to put into fact what is on your mind. Action is character. December 22. In order for the light to shine so brightly, the darkness must be present. Travel is the part of education for younger and experience for the elder. Knowledge is power, hope is good breakfast, but bad supper. God hangs the greatest weights upon the smallest wires. We cannot command nature excepting by obeying her. December 23. Truth is so hard to tell. It sometimes needs fiction. It can be plausible. The momentous things in human life is the art of winning. The victory is the soul of good or evil. A bachelor's life is a fine breakfast, a flat lunch, and a miserable dinner. Silence is the sleep that nourishes wisdom. Wise men make more opportunities than they find. Knowledge and human power are synonymous. Truth is the daughter of time. Truth is not of authority. December 24. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. The mother art is architecture. Without an architecture, we could be lost. We have no soul of our own. We have no civilization of our own. The longer I live, the more beautiful life becomes. Simplicity and repose are the qualities that measure the true value of any work of art. December 25. An idea is a salvation by imagination. The truth is more important. The facts are not important as the truth. The heart is the chief feature of a functioning mind. The space within becomes the reality of the building. Toleration and liberty are the foundations of a great republic. Freedom is from within. I believe in myself. I only wish that someone would try it. Okay, guys, I know nothing of author Aisha Shah. Each and every copyrights are her authority. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 books, read it and inspired my life. And I wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading these beautiful books. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya guys. Take care. I love you all. Have a great moments of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.